We are at the Shelby County Area Technology Center, close to Shelby County High School on Rocket Lane. So we're going to go on in and we're just going to show you the Shelby County Area Technology Center has different programs for high school students in Shelby County, Spencer County, and Eminence Independent. So that's 3 out of 4 of North Central District Health Department's counties. And the high schoolers will graduate with their certificate at the program that they're in. Specifically today for dental hygiene awareness, we're talking about the dental program with Becky Clark as the dental instructor and some students that are going to talk to you about dental hygiene education. So let's head on in. They've done a lot of remodeling to this building since Kayla and I went to school here. And it looks beautiful.
It was just one wing when I came here, and it's huge now. So
it's gorgeous. They've done a lot of updates.
So we're glad we're able to be here to let you know what this place has to offer to the students here.
So if you're a parent of a high schooler or a middle schooler that's about to be in high school, please make sure you watch this video. So outside of Becky Clark's classroom, she's got her radiation safety certificates for her students. And her OSHA and HIPAA certifications for our students as well. So they are certified, they're learning. And we're gonna introduce you now to Miss Clark. Hello, everybody.
Hi, I'm Miss Clark. Welcome to our Dental Careers classroom at the Area Technology Center. Students from Shelby, Henry, and Spencer County can come here, and Eminence High School can come here and get their certificates so they can work as a dental assistant. These are 3 of my current students.
Hi, I'm Ellie Brown, and I'm from Spencer County High School. I'm a senior, and I first got interested in this program because I didn't know much about the dental field, but I knew it was somewhere I wanted to be. So I just thought I could learn more and get some experience in our internships and just learn more about the field of dentistry.
And this is?
I'm Kaylin Koppel. I'm also a senior at Spencer County High School, and I joined this class to get more experience and learn about different dental careers and hope to further my experience in college.
What do you think you want to do when you graduate? Like, what's your ultimate career goal?
I'll probably go to hygiene school in the future.
And Ellie, what did you want to do?
I plan on going to the University of Kentucky, and I want to go to dental school.
Dental
become
school.
a dentist.
Be a dentist. Okay.
Yeah.
And you are?
I'm Mason Trent, and I am a senior at Collins High School. What interested me is I always thought dentistry was very interesting, so I wanted to join this class and get a feel if I really want to do it. And so I'm enjoying it a lot, so I'm planning on going to hygiene school and getting my
Be a dental hygienist. Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
It's nice to meet you all. So you want to tell us a little more about your class?
Yeah, so it's actually a 3-class sequence. So the first 2 classes are general medical, allied health classes, and you learn about different parts of the healthcare industry. And then your senior year, you participate in this class, and it's a 3-block class where whatever your home high school is, you either drive or are bused over here. You are in the class 3 days a week learning about dentistry in books and hands-on in our clinic over here. We'll show you in a second. And then 2 days a week, our students go out in dental offices and work. In the past, they've been volunteer, unpaid internships. But now we have turned those into paid internships. All of our kids are making $14.50 an hour
Nice.
during the school day, working at dental offices. And then most of them are working after school in different hours at the same rate as a dental assistant while they continue their education here. So you will get your OSHA, your HIPAA, and your radiation safety certificates while you're in this class, which will allow you to take dental x-rays on patients. And then after school, you can either continue to work as a dental assistant right here. So you can continue to work as a dental assistant. The average pay, starting pay in Kentucky is $16 an hour for a dental assistant. You can also become a dental hygienist like Mason and Kaylin like to do. The average pay, starting pay, is $34 an hour for a dental hygienist, and it takes 2 to 4 years of college to complete. You can also go on to become a dentist. The average pay is about $78 per hour, or $152,000 a year. And that, again, is just a starting average pay. So these are some of the awesome things that you can do after dental school or after our school. These are some of my students that have completed this class. I'm so proud of all of them. Most of them are either working in dental now or going to school to be a hygienist or a dentist.
So quick question, if when should parents and students sign up for this program? Freshman year, going into freshman year?
So you can start the medical classes your freshman year, but usually it's sophomore. You take 1 or 2 as a sophomore, another one as a junior, and then by the time you're a senior, you can devote 3 periods to this class. I do recommend that you try to keep as many blocks open as possible during your senior year, so try to get things completed. That way you can work in your internship for more hours. So some of our students, like Kaylin, has extra time in her schedule because all of her English and math classes are online classes with JCTC.
Okay.
So she comes here, and other than that, she pretty much has her block open to work in the dental offices as much as possible and get as much experience as possible.
Awesome. All right, so let's look at these boxes. They've got some examples of different things that they do in the class and work with. So these are some x-rays, teeth, and they practice doing x-rays. These are some of the tools
To do the x-rays, yeah.
And this one is for the dentist and the assistant. Some numbing medicine here on this syringe.
Yeah.
So you may have seen these when you all have been to the dentist. Here we've got some teeth. They assure me they're clean and sanitized. So
These are actual extracted teeth that have been sanitized.
that's
So
cool.
these came out of patient's mouth. Here's a really cool one that has a big cavity in it. That was a wisdom tooth that was extracted because of decay.
Wow. So in a minute, these students are going to tell us how to prevent those cavities. And then these, for a dental lab tech, they may make molds like this.
Here's a partial denture that a lab tech would make and a regular denture. Some of these are impressions. This is a bridge, or actually it's individual crowns that a lab tech would have made.
Very cool. I want to join this class.
I know. And these are some night guards that have been made. And then these are some tools that a hygienist would use. And since this month, October, is Dental Hygiene Month, we're going to have Ellie give us some tips on dental hygiene and how to take care of our teeth.
All right. They asked if I've got somebody commenting saying, show us the students. So here they are. Here's the students.
It's very important that you brush twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. So I'm just going to demonstrate, you want to make sure you're brushing in circular motions and getting all of the cracks and crevices of the teeth. And you want to brush the gums too. And so once you just make your way around your mouth, then you want to make sure you're brushing your tongue in the back of your teeth. So, yep.
What else do we need to do besides brush?
Well, we need to floss once a day. So when you're flossing, make sure that you get in between each groove of the teeth and get all the plaque removed.
Yeah. So brush twice, floss once.
And then where do we need to go to help prevent cavities and gum disease?
So you need to schedule your regular checkup with your dentist every 6 months and visit them just to get cleanings and checkups on your teeth.
Good. Anything else you'd like to share with them?
Yes.
One other tip is to drink tap water that contains fluoride. Also, stop smoking and using tobacco products.
Yes, definitely.
And also want to limit your sugary drinks. Rita, would you like to show them
Sure.
our sugar board?
So they've got a sugar board in their classroom. I don't know about you, but this is pretty eye-opening. We'll just go through. This is the amount.
Sugar to the way.
Yeah, so Mountain Dew, this is how much sugar is in the Mountain Dew bottle of this size.
And then if you move over here to my favorite drink, Red Bull right here. See all that sugar? I need to quit. I really do.
Yeah.
But it's so hard.
We have to work on that. So
Look at
this is just
a caramel
eye-opening.
frap. I get one of these like at least twice a week. And look at all the sugar in it.
So definitely keep your appointments with your dentist, Kayla, because you'll be drinking these drinks a lot. So this is really cool. I'm glad to see all this. Just a little visual to show you. Even orange pineapple juice from Welch's. So just watching that sugar and reading the labels on the back of your cans as well. So we've got Miss Becky's Clark's desk over here. And I'm going to take you over to their lab area, and the students are going to show you what they do during class. So it's a mock dental exam.
You're on the wrong.
Oh.
Okay. So
Today we learned about.
today we've been learning about like the different teeth and just identifying them. So today I'm gonna use this mirror and just kind of look around in Kaylin's mouth and like identify different teeth. So here's our right.
Tell them the different types of teeth.
So we've identified the front anterior teeth. We have the central incisors and then the lateral incisors. And then here is her canine teeth. And then in the posterior part of the mouth, we have the premolars and the molars. And so each teeth has a number and just different identifications. There's different identifications between the maxillary, which is the top teeth, and the mandible, the bottom teeth. So we just use our mirror to kind of see the different parts of the teeth to identify them.
Do you want to show them the numbers of the teeth? Tell them which start at 1 and show them where 1 is. I'm testing her out. We're just now
Wow.
learning these.
Putting her on the spot.
I'm trying to think if it's the right or left side.
Right.
Okay, so her right side, we start with 1 with the third molar, which is actually the wisdom tooth.
Does she have one?
She
Does not.
does not have her wisdom tooth.
Oh, is that common?
Did you have them extracted? No. So they may just be under the gums and not have erupted yet.
Okay.
An X-ray would show us that.
Nice.
So number 1 is usually that wisdom tooth. So we skip 1, and the next
So
tooth in
then
her
it would be
mouth.
2. So she has her first and second molars here, and then the next 3 and 4 is the premolars, and then what she has all her premolars. Some people don't. So then the canine is the 6th. Sorry, and then 7, and then and 7 is the lateral, and then the central is 8, and then we have 9. So then the numbers just work the way around the teeth, and then go to the bottom teeth and work the way around. So a normal set of permanent teeth has 32 teeth, but it differentiates between each person.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, you're doing a great job, Becky, and these students are learning a lot, as you can tell. They have a great classroom setup. You can see their lab here, and they've got, I believe, 4 chairs. Let's see if we can get a better view of the lab, and then their classroom setting with their desk and everything as well.
Girls, tell everybody Mason, where are you working in your internship?
So I work in Middletown. It's called Right Touch Dental, and we just started
Last week.
Yeah, last week. And so right now I'm just getting a feel for the dentist or the dental office, and helping around like sterilizing instruments, which means like cleaning, and setting up rooms, cleaning them up, disinfecting.
Would you like to take Miranda over here and show us our sterilization area, and you can kind of give her a feel for what you're doing in your internship?
Yes.
Why don't you follow him over there to our sterilization area?
They have a real setup here, you guys. So, working our way around the room here. Kayla, what are you thinking?
Oh, I'm blown away. Not even my nursing school had this. Like, wow.
And this is right here in Shelby County, you guys. And I just want to say again, Spencer County Schools, Shelby County Schools, and Eminence Independent students can come here by shuttle or driving. So parents, if you have any kids that may be interested in this field, certainly going into high school or in high school freshman year, certainly reach out to Becky. I've got their site information that will be posted right after this video for their website and their contact information. So certainly reach out if you guys have anyone in your household that is interested in dental. Step by step in this program, as you can tell, and they learn the ins and the outs, and they are ready for their internships and then ready for jobs after high school. Is there anything else that you guys would like to add? Did we cover everything we wanted to talk about?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's a really great program because, like at my school, they have certifications for nurses, but here we get actual like clinical experience like in our internships, which most programs don't have. So I think that's really cool, like especially since we're just in high school, and the fact that we're getting paid to do so.
Yay!
I think it's a lot better. I'm biased, but I think it's like a great opportunity, and I just think more people need to hear about it. So I'm glad we're doing this.
Yes, well, we're happy to share the news. Thank you all for having us.